gotta hold it horizontal.
Yeah.
Not making TikToks. There's two control arms.
Let me know. Okay.
Ta-da!
It's out. Nice.
Oh.
Okay.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay. There we go. Almost. Yeah, there it is. Look at these fluids.
Without snapping your fingers.
Yep, ideally. So it was like this. I'll line it up. This is much heavier heavier duty.
Installing the new one.
If we were able to take this out, we should be able to put this back in as a...
Yeah. It's wedged up against everything.
Okay, can it go down a little bit?
No, I'm trying to... Come on, plastic. You're not gonna win against me now.
Oh yeah, it's stuck on the plastic, isn't it?
Entirely.
Just unbolt
Can
it
you
then.
support the sway bar though?
Huh?
So it doesn't fall on me?
Just, it's not gonna fall on you. Just leave it there.
It's sitting on the plastic. It's dissolving in my hands. It is bigger than that.
It's bigger than...
Yeah, it's about the width of the entire width of this.
So you need one size bigger than this or two sizes bigger?
Probably two.
Okay.
Anything.
Okay, that's also too small. Maybe a 14.
Yeah, there you go.
It's got some play. I think it's a 13.
What?
It is a 13.
I told not to wait.
Okay.
Okay,
why
that's
don't-
awesome. That's awesome.
What fell?
The whole sway bar rotated,
Oh.
decided it's falling on this
Well,
side.
I think you should remove the plastic cover.
Yeah, it's literally the only thing it's sitting on right now.
Okay.
So as soon as I do, it's gonna land on me.
That's okay, you're strong. You can handle it.
You'll live.
Great.
Even if you
I
don't-
I think you'll live.
Even if you don't, we'll still give you good burial, okay?
Oh, and now you're not gonna... Okay, there we go.
Cause of death, sway bar.
You've got like one thread holding you in. Oh, you have no threads holding you in.
There is no threads holding it in.
Is this a plastic nut?
What?
It is. It's entirely plastic.
So what other modification have you done to this car?
I have done solid shifter bushings, a stage 1 tune, new tires and wheels.
You got it.
There's so much dirt up here, oh my gosh.
What did you expect there?
It's
Gold?
awful.
I didn't think about it.
Oh no.